Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into why Python is not just a programming language but a coder's best friend. Whether you are starting your coding journey or looking to expand your skills, Python has something for everyone. Let's jump right in. Python's reputation as a beginner friendly language. Unlike other programming languages that can feel intimidating, Python reads almost like plain English. Let's take a quick example. Here, for adding two numbers in Python, we simply take two variables and assign them to any values we want. Now another variable for storing the sum as num1 and num2. At the end, to display result, we simply use print function like this. As you can see how clean and easy to understand Python, no fancy brackets or semicolons. Let's explore Python's versatility in various fields: web development, data science, automation and scripting, AI and machine learning. So here are three most important and beginner friendly libraries in Python. NumPy is short for numerical Python and is perfect for handling numerical computations. It introduces arrays which are faster and more efficient than traditional Python lists. Here is a simple example on why we use NumPy arrays over a list. First, we need to import NumPy library. I defined a list and an array with values 1 to 3. Now to access each item and multiply them by 2. In case of list, we use a shortened for loop statement. But in case of array, we can simply multiply with 2. Also, there are a lot of functions in NumPy which are useful for complex problems such as random number generator and stats related functions like mean, median, mode. Then follows Pandas library, which is a go-to library for data manipulation and analysis. It introduces data frames, which are like supercharged spreadsheets. Let's take a quick overview on Pandas with an example of creating and manipulating data frames. For this, we need to import a Pandas library. Now, for creating data frames, we have many ways, and one of the most efficient and easiest way is using dictionaries. In this method, we define a dictionary consisting of simple variables as keys and list as values. After that, passing our dictionary as an argument for data frame function, we simply created a data frame using dictionary. Let's say if you want to add a new column to our data frame, we can do this by simply typing df square bracket inside quotation our new column name and giving a list as values. This will update our data frame by adding salary as a new column with these values. Also, we can do filtering and sorting using pandas. Matplotlib to visualize our data with variety of charts, plots and graphs so that one can understand the data easily. And to analyze the data, this is an example of plotting a simple line graph. As you can see, we have different functions in Matplotlib. But once you start learning, you will be getting familiar to them.